NEET 2022 admit card has been released by the National Testing Agency or NTA on July 12. Candidates will have to download it online by following some simple steps. In this video of shiksha.com, we will provide to you the step-by-step procedure on how to download the NEET 2022 admit card. The first step is to visit the NEET 2022 official website, which is neet.nta.nic.in. Upon visiting the page, you will see 3 links to download the admit card. You have to click on any one of the links. Enter your application number, date of birth from the drop-down menu and security PIN. Click on Submit. Now you will be redirected to the undertaking page wherein you will have to answer questions regarding your present health condition and travel history. Upon clicking on Submit tab, you will be redirected to the next page where you have to click on Download Admit Card tab. Your NEET 2022 admit card will be displayed on screen and you have to check on each and every information carefully. The admit card will carry your personal information, exam city address, exam timing and instructions for the exam day. The admit card will also carry a self-declaration undertaking which must be filled and carried to the exam center along with the admit card and your photo ID proof. In case you face any difficulty in downloading the admit card or wish to get any information corrected, contact NTA by calling at 011-407-59000 or email at neet@nta.ac.in. Hope this video was helpful. For more such informative content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.